Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today?
Many of us munch snacks while watching TV. When you're focused on what's on the screen, you're less likely to pay attention to what and how much is going into your mouth. This can be a slippery slope, especially if you're trying to lose weight. But chocolate bars or bag of chips are aren't options while watching TV. Hey, do you count your calorie intake?
However, if you choose to Netflix and chill, today I'm gonna prepare a guilt-free healthy snack or finger food for you and your kids to enjoy. And the appetizer is oven-baked barbecue buffalo cauliflower bites, which is one of the most popular American snack food. So let's dive into the recipe now.
The ingredients used to prepare buffalo cauliflower bites are half cauliflower head, half cup of almond milk unsweetened, half cup of water, 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and required amount of salt. I had used plant-based unsweetened almond milk today, but you can alternate with any other type of milk. For preparation of barbecue sauce, I had used Frank's hot sauce since it gives more spicy flavor, but you can use any other hot sauce of your choice. I had used today 1 cup of leftover Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey Whiskey Barbecue Sauce. If you are new to my channel, click on the link below in the description box for the preparation of the JD barbecue sauce. You can also use any other barbecue sauce of your choice. So for the preparation of the buffalo cauliflower bites, I am adding half cup of water to a bowl, half cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and I am gonna stir it until it gets well combined, no longer being clumpy. So as you see now, the batter is well combined, so you can make it to the consistency of pancake batter. Now the seasonings, add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. You can also alternate this with regular chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and required amount of salt. Combine all these spice powders together along with the batter. So now our batter is ready. I am gonna evenly coat the cauliflower with batter and shake off the excess and place the cauliflower in the baking tray which I had lined with the parchment paper. Do not line the baking tray with aluminum foil since the cauliflower might not get crispy. I'm gonna place this cauliflower bites in preheated 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can start with the preparation of barbecue buffalo sauce. For this, I am adding 1 cup of JD barbecue whiskey sauce. So if you are using a regular barbecue sauce, then it is absolutely fine. Now I am adding Frank red hot sauce according to my level of spiciness. You can also add any other hot sauce according to your level of spiciness. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter and then I am going to whisk all these together. You can also add a teaspoon of honey. Since my JD sauce already had honey in it, I had neglected it. Continue whisking it until the sauce boils. Sauce has started to boil and our barbecue buffalo sauce is ready now. So I'm gonna flip this cauliflower bites in halfway through of baking and gonna bake this again for another 15 minutes. So cauliflower is completely baked now. I'm gonna coat the cauliflower pieces with barbecue sauce evenly Don't dip the cauliflower pieces in the barbecue sauce since it might get soggy and lose its crispiness. So now I'm gonna bake this barbecue coated cauliflower for another 10 minutes. So my barbecue buffalo cauliflower bites is ready now. So you can serve this with ranch or any type of dressing, but I like to toss mine again with the barbecue buffalo sauce. So there you go with a vegan, plant-based version of crispy baked cauliflower coated in spicy honey barbecue sauce. These barbecue buffalo cauliflower bites are best served right out of the oven and do not reheat well.
So my oven baked barbecue buffalo cauliflower bites is ready now and I'm gonna taste this. So let me taste this now. I think using fork must be overrated since it is a finger food. I'm just going to eat it with my fingers, no fork today, and it's going to be all fun, no fuss. It has the sweet and hot and spicy barbecue sauce, and I can't resist it, so I want to go for one more. It's really yummy and it's one of the best low calorie food. You can also enjoy watching your Netflix or sports or any other channel of your own interest. So they are also one of the most potluck favorite. And about cauliflower, cauliflower is loaded with vitamin C and vitamin K. They are also great detox food and loaded with antioxidants. So eat your cauliflower, kids, and my dear pals. If you had enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe and see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care.